think we're doing fine.
I think so too. Josh.
Yeah.
All that waiting. All that hesitating. The time that seemed wasted. It wasn't. It was worth it. To be here right now. I want you so much.
I want you to.
Okay. Wonder was such to be the sensible one in this relationship.
What?
Really, the sensible, responsible adult.
Oh,
I mean,
boring. Forget
no,
it. Forget
Cassie.
everything I said. Look,
Cassie.
No, you just try to get out of here if you want to leave.
It's not that I. It's not that I want to leave. Okay.
Okay, you're right. Fine, I'm just making this more difficult than it has to be. So
Thank
go.
you. Okay. Going.
Hello.
Hello. I didn't leave.
I see that.
I was just standing out here thinking to myself, what if I don't want to be sensible?
I can't even spell the word.
Oh, okay.